Are you facing any issue with your WhatsApp app after updating your Android version to 11, that is Android Pie? In this video, I will explain to you three solutions step by step. There can be three reasons you are getting this message. One is the storage problem. The solution for this is clear your internal storage, delete cache, unwanted app. I will make a full video how to remove unnecessary file step by step. There can be a second reason as well, the permission issue. You have not given the media storage permission to the WhatsApp. What you have to do is give a media storage permission to WhatsApp. Again, I will make step by step video on how to give permission to the WhatsApp. And the third reason is Android 11 Android Pie update. So first, before you update your Android, take a backup of WhatsApp chat and media. I have explained step by step here. Click on the link above to watch how to do that. And if you have missed taking the backup, then follow this step, because after Android 11 update you cannot take the backup as well. Make sure you have the WhatsApp Messenger update from the Play Store. So if you see the update here, click on update icon, and if you don't see the update, then you are on the latest app. Now go to file manager. Under the internal storage you will see here WhatsApp, this. So it can be anywhere. So it is on, for me it is on the top. So you will see this WhatsApp. This is the old version of the Android where WhatsApp keeps its file like media, database, everything. They keep it inside this folder. So click on this, you will see this database, media. Under the media you will see images, videos, voice notes, documents and status. Everything is present. So now after updating the Android storage, Android version, this is moved inside the Android folder, this one here. So if you click on the Android here, go to media. Now this is the new folder they have created in the Android 11. Click on this Android media. Now you can see here com.whatsapp. So click on this WhatsApp, and under this there is a folder called WhatsApp. So here you will be seeing all the folders which we have seen on the root of the internal storage. So what you have to do is, let me go back and open this root of the internal storage, this WhatsApp, which is the old storage. Copy everything, 2 3, copy everything, don't move it, copy everything and paste it inside this Android media WhatsApp com here. You paste everything here, replace everything, and then try to open the media from your WhatsApp and try to take the backup. Hope this will solve your problem. So this is the majority of the Android users are facing this issue after they are updating to Android Pie Android 11 update. So friends, hope you have solved this problem of download failed, the download was unable to complete. Please try again later. This third problem will solve your problems of taking the backup, as well as storing the media into your internal storage, as well as retrieving all the older media. If you like my solution, do subscribe to skool.online channel. Thank you very much.